English Sketches. Sketches from the English Teaching Theatre, Book 1, by Doug Case and Ken Wilson. Published by Heinemann English Language Teaching, a division of Heinemann Publishers Oxford Limited. Copyright Heinemann Publishers Oxford Limited, 1995. Mr. Jones.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name's Jones, Charles Jones. I come from Wales, from Cardiff. I saw an advertisement in the newspaper. It said, Charles Jones, money, 4 o'clock Tuesday afternoon. And it gave this address.
Ah, yes. Wait in here, please, Mr. Jones.
Thank you.
With these two gentlemen.
Oh, thank you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Nice day, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Now, Mr. Jones?
Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Mr. Jones?
Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Which one of you is Mr. Jones?
I am.
So am I.
So am I. No, my name's Jones.
So's mine.
So's mine.
I want to speak to Mr. Charles Jones.
Charles Jones, that's me.
No, I'm Charles Jones.
That's my name too.
Charles Edward Jones.
Yes, my name is Charles Edward Jones. So's mine.
Mine is too.
I want to speak to Mr. Charles Edward Jones from Cardiff.
That's right. I come from Cardiff.
So do I.
So do I.
The Mr. Jones I want to see has got 3 children.
Yes, that's me. I've got 3 children. So have I.
What about you?
I've got 3 children.
You haven't. What are they called?
What are yours called?
Alan, Michael and David.
So are mine.
What a coincidence. So are mine.
So you all say you're Mr. Jones?
Yes.
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 And you all saw the advertisement in the newspaper?
Yes.
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 Well, Mr. Charles Edward Jones, who lives in Cardiff and has 3 children, hasn't paid any tax for the last 5 years. He must pay the government £5,000.
Actually, my name isn't Jones.
Nor is mine. And I don't live in Cardiff either.
Nor do I. I live in Edinburgh, as a matter of fact. I didn't understand the advertisement.
Nor did I. I didn't realise it meant Charles Edward Jones.
Nor did I. My name isn't Charles Edward Jones.
Nor is mine. He's the man you're looking for. Oh, dear.
Yes, of course he is. Sorry to have troubled you. Goodbye.
Yes, sorry to have troubled you. Goodbye.
So, you're Mr. Jones?
Yes.
Congratulations.
Eh?
You're a rich man.
I'm not.
Yes, you are. You've got a lot of money.
I haven't. I can't pay that tax.
There isn't any tax.
I haven't got... No tax?
No, that was just a story. I had to find the real Mr. Jones.
Why?
Because the real Mr. Jones is a very rich man.
Oh, I don't understand.
Mr. Jones, Charlie, your great-uncle Max died last week.
Oh, no.
And his money goes to you.
To me? But great-uncle Max was a millionaire.
That's right.
So now I'm a millionaire.
No.
Oh,
You're half a millionaire.
half a millionaire? Oh, which half? The top half or the bottom half?
No. You share the money with one other relation.
Half a millionaire? Who do I share the money with?
Me?
You?
Yes, I'm your cousin Jane.
Cousin Jane? Really? You've grown up.
So have you.
And now you're half a millionaire.
And so are you. Let's go out and celebrate.
Good idea. Let's go out and celebrate. Come on. Oh, Jane,
Yes?
Have you got enough money for the bus fare?